All right, you know, I love to laugh. I take sexy seriously, and yet I love to laugh about it. But today, I got to share some truths with you, and they're not really a laughing matter. I got 9 truths and a question about prostate for you today. 9 truths, all right? So forgive me, I never usually use a cheat sheet, but this one I did because I want to make sure I get them very exactly, okay? I'm not making this shit up, folks. 9 prostate truths and a question for you. 1, the prostate is a walnut-sized gland that surrounds the urethra in men. 2, when boys reach puberty, the prostate grows rapidly and can actually double in size. It begins another series of rapid growth when guys hit their 20s, and then it slows down, but it continues to grow for the rest of a man's life. 3, enlarged prostate is also referred to as benign prostatic hyperplasia, otherwise called BPH. It affects about 50% of men between the ages of 51 and 60. 50% of men starting in their 50s. And I'll tell you that the numbers actually, even after the age of 40, issues start arising for men over the age of 40. But I'm trying to give you absolutely, like, the bottom line, just facts and truths, because everybody should know this. 50% of men have enlarged prostate between 51 and 60, and up to 90% of men have it if they're over the age of 80. So obviously between the time of 50 and 80 years old, the rates are going up and up and up every decade. This is not a nothing problem. All right, number 4, BPH can completely disrupt a man's life. It can send him to the bathroom to urinate frequently. It can make it hard for him to empty his bladder. It can wake him up at night. It can make urination painful. This happens because if the urethra is too large, it pushes on the bladder, causes it to shrink, perhaps tighten, not be comfortable, and to not have as much room to hold things, to hold liquid and urine, and so then it has to get expelled quickly. And over time, it can basically make the bladder smaller and smaller and smaller, which increases urgency, if you can imagine. Number 5, here's where we get scary. About 1 in 8 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer during his lifetime. This is according to the American Cancer Society. 1 in 8 men. Crazy. 1 in 8 men. Number 6, prostate cancer is more likely to develop in older men and in non-Hispanic Black men. Sorry, guys, I hate to add to the burden, but it's there. We need to talk about this. All right, I get goosebumps. Number 7, about 40% of prostate cancer cases are between the age of 40 and 64. That's pretty damn young, folks. I'm in my mid-50s already. 40 to 64 is 40% of prostate cancers. The average age for prostate cancer is 65. Number 8, prostate cancer is the second leading cause of cancer death in American men, behind lung cancer. Let me say it again. Prostate cancer is the second leading cancer killer of men in the United States. The only one higher is lung cancer. It's a problem. Number 9, about 1 in 41 men will die from prostate cancer. I'm pretty sure you know at least 41 men in your life. One of them is likely to die of prostate cancer. Those are the facts. So when people don't even know what a prostate is, what it does, why it does what it does, why it matters, it's a problem. I'm Beth Darling, your sexy genius. And again, I love to laugh about sexy stuff, but now I want you to take this seriously. You need to know those 9 facts about prostate cancer. And here's the kicker. The question I have for you. The question I have for you is, what are you doing to take care of your prostate? That's my question. And if you're not sure and you don't know anything else, let me just tell you, there are options besides just waiting until there's a problem and getting on medication. So if you're interested and you want to see my suggestion, go check out, well, one, subscribe to this video channel, to this YouTube channel, so that you get my latest, stay up to date as I do more videos. But two, go check out one of my previous ones called 5 Reasons Men Should Try Prostate Massage. Okay, I've got several videos out there already on prostate massage. Go watch them, but keep these facts in mind. So I'm not a doctor, I can't swear, but I can tell you that there is some research, there are some thoughts that prostate massage can help decrease the issues with prostate enlargement and prostate cancer. So go check those things out. I'll have more later, but thank you so much. Big hugs and love, and special, special, special love to your prostate. I hope you take very, very good care of it. Be well, be happy, and love lots.